Hi everyone, Adam Corbally here, motivational speaker. I'm delighted to be back at Smithills again this year, working with Year 9 all day on their very own business challenge. They get to turn their passion into profits, working in teams, coming up with ideas for a product or service to look after the people and the planet. We've seen some brilliant teamwork, some amazing ideas, some fantastic presentations, and they've awarded some very well-deserved prizes and trophies as well. The future's bright, the future of business at Smithills has been absolutely amazing, and of course these guys are our future, the next generation. What can I say? It's been amazing, can't wait for the next one.
I really found it interesting. His speech at the beginning was very inspiring and it just made me want to work harder.
I found Adam's speech very inspirational and it inspired me to work harder in my lessons. It's gone very well. It's made me improve my teamwork skills and understanding.
Today has been amazing, and students have been able to work on creative thinking skills, listening, teamwork, leadership, resilience, problem solving, of course, public speaking, and putting that one into practice. And it's given them the opportunity to really have a think about their future careers, enterprise, higher education, and future skills, all wrapped up in having loads and loads of fun.